Hello, this is the PikeOS orchestration demonstration that we're showing at Embedded World. What we're trying to demonstrate here is the capability that PikeOS has to create separation between different applications which will be able to run at different safety levels. Just to give a high-level view of the architecture, this is the PikeOS architecture of this demonstration, which includes the PikeOS hypervisor, which provide both hypervisor and real-time operation system capabilities. What you see here is the control plane of Kubernetes. So these two partitions, which are completely isolated, will be able to control the behavior of the rest of the system. And in the rest of the system, what we have is two different types of Kubernetes containers. The one which are non-safety critical, so regular Kubernetes, which is running on the hardware virtualized Linux running on top of PikeOS, and there you have just a regular Kubernetes environment. On the other side, and of course here we have only one partition, but we can create as many as we want, then you can deploy Kubernetes application or pods, which will be actually safety critical. So in terms of sequence, this application controls the behavior of the other ones. This one enables dynamic upload of other application, and this one is a restricted container which run isolated a standard Kubernetes application. And you see here not only Kubernetes and the technology, but this is also fun to run with, and integrating some of the things that are not visible in the diagram this is more or less a view of this demo. And what we have is a dual channel with a voting system. So one channel here is analyzing what's happening on the system, the color of the ball which is passing here. And then the second one is doing exactly the same things. At the end of the day, there is a voter which decides based on the inputs. If they're actually equal, then it will control the system. If it doesn't, if the inputs are not the same, because there is a failure on one of these nodes, then what will happen is that this system will put this game in a safe state. And safe state means that it will actually stop playing. Okay, we can even trigger it like this, and hopefully it will actually go into a safe state where all the different elements will actually stop working.